YouTube video for the update. So I told y'all I was gonna basically have those filled up with food. So exactly what I'm gonna do. I already got one up there, so I'm gonna have to rearrange all these. Cause you know I want this to be food at the top, and the rest just be all how it's looking. So that's what we're finna do. I gotta feed them, you know. Cause say if you want to get some food, you get you some food, and you know, get you a bag of chips or something. Then you come over here and get you a drink. You know, got the best world. So let's get to it. But I told y'all, here we here. I told y'all I was going to go get them. Here we go. So I'm finna rearrange this, and I'll be back. Stay tuned.